To prepare for the breathing in the 100, we will practice the breath with arm movements. Breathe out through the mouth on the exhale in a short staccato-type rhythm. Breathe in through the nose on the inhale in the same staccato style. Pump the arms up and down as though you are slapping water. This will help you promote a full breath pattern so you don't hold the breath. Now lie with your head and feet on the mat, knees bent and hip width apart. Your arms reach long by your sides, palms down, fingers stretching. Now engage your abdominals. Lift your arms a few inches off the mat. Inhale to prepare, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. And last time 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. And finish with the arms down. Now we'll do the exercise with the knees bent and lifted into tabletop position with the head and shoulders lifted up into the C curve. Remember that if any time you feel strain in your neck, just bring your head back down to the mat. It's much better to do the exercise well in a modified version than to strain and lose your form. Lie with your head and feet on the mat with your knees bent and hip width. Reach your arms long by your sides, palms down, fingers stretching. Engage your abdominals and bring your knees toward your chest to tabletop position, shins parallel to the mat. Take a deep breath and feel the torso anchoring into the ground as you exhale. Keep the feeling of a heavy weight pressing the pelvis and shoulders down as you inhale to prepare and lift the head and upper spine into a C curve. And pumping the arms up and down, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. And last time 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. And finish by lowering your head and feet back down to the mat. Sit up tall with your knees together and bent, feet planted firmly on your mat. Curl your head and spine forward over your legs, reaching your arms long in front of you. Slide your shoulder blades down your back with the crown of the head reaching toward your fingers. Inhale to prepare. Exhale and scoop the abdominals. Roll the pelvis back away from the legs and open the front hips. Keeping the abs flat, inhale and roll back up to start position, staying in your C curve. Exhale, engage the abs and roll back. Inhale, initiate from the powerhouse to roll back up. And last time, exhale, pull your navel to the spine, scoop the abdominals and roll away from the legs. Inhale, maintain your core connection and roll forward and up to tall sit. Now lie down with your knees together and bent, feet firm on the mat. Arms are long by your sides. Squeeze your knees together. Inhale, pull your navel deep into the spine, and on the exhale, curl the spine up into C curve, stretching your arms forward. Inhale, keeping the abdominals scooped. Exhale and roll back, pressing each vertebra down into the mat and lowering the head and arms back down. If you need more support to come up, slide your hands under your thighs and keep the legs squeezing together. And then again, inhale, scoop your abdominals. Exhale, curl up and forward, reaching long through the arms. Inhale, pull your navel in, and exhale, roll the spine back down, releasing the head and arms. And last time, inhale deep into your core. Exhale, curl the spine up, one vertebra at a time, reaching through the fingers and the crown of the head. Take a breath in, and on the exhale, curl the spine back down to the mat. Sit tall at the front of your mat with your knees bent into your chest, hands placed under each thigh, elbows wide. Engage your abdominals. Bring your chin toward the chest in C curve. Inhale, pull the navel to the spine, roll back on your tailbone, and lift the feet off the mat to balance. Maintain your strong core, deepen the curve, and then exhale to return to balance in tall sit with the feet lifted. And again, contract your abs. Inhale, chin to chest, navel to spine, and roll back to balance on your tailbone. On the exhale, roll forward and back up to tall sit, returning to balance with your feet off the mat. Now for the full roll back, keep your shoulders relaxed down away from the ears, toes gently pointing, and roll back only to the upper shoulders, never on the neck. Engage your abdominals to initiate the action. Inhale and roll back, sinking the navel deep into the spine. Exhale, pull the abs in as you rock back up to start position. Maintain your ball shape throughout the rolling movement. And again, sink the navel deep into the spine and roll back. Exhale, use your abdominals to roll back up. And last time, roll the spine back. Feel the spinal massage as each vertebra presses down into the mat. Roll back up to tall sit with the feet on the mat.